It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 12th of December. I'm Michael Groff. We've got rain coming down this morning, cool temperatures as well. But the rain should break as we go to later this morning. The sun comes out for this afternoon, but another round of precipitation possible this evening. And then for the rest of the week ahead, very cool temperatures. In fact, the coolest weather we've had so far this season. Could see some frost in some spots around the valley on several mornings for the week ahead. When might our next chance of rain be, and how long will the cool weather last? We'll talk about all of it as we dive in and discuss. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 69 degrees was the afternoon high for your Sunday, 42 the morning low, normal high 65, normal or 66 rather, normal low 45. And no rain in the bucket yesterday. We've had almost 0.2 of an inch this morning at Sky Harbor. Looking out there right now at 6:30 a.m. Some light rain coming down. We're sitting at 46 degrees officially at the airport. Dew point at 43, humidity 87%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. The weather pattern across the nation shows a big trough out here across the west. That's brought the cold weather in. Those rain showers to the deserts here and the snow up north. The Sierra got hammered with snow yesterday, and we will see blizzard conditions for parts of the Rockies and out into the Plain States. Out ahead of that system, further to the south and east, some strong and severe storms will be possible. Check out the watch warning maps and winter weather advisories for northern Arizona. We've got winter storm warnings out throughout the west and the northern plains, blizzard warnings for parts of Nebraska, Wyoming, South Dakota, some of the adjacent states. Oh yeah, the snow will be measured in feet in some spots. The convective outlook for today, again, further to the south, got that risk of severe storms from North Texas all the way up into parts of Kansas. And here in Arizona, we're in the green in the southern portion of the state. We could hear a rumble of thunder around. It's not out of the question, although not particularly likely, but maybe with that cold core coming through later this afternoon and this evening with some showers redeveloping later. The precipitation outlook, this is valid through Monday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, 1 to 0.2 of an inch. Most of that is what's happening now. Some heavier totals further to the east. But we could have another chance of rain later this weekend. We'll talk about that and everything else going on right now as we get to the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run. This is valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our big cold upper trough coming through here today. What it means down at the surface, chance of showers this morning, and then those will decrease. We'll see some sun coming out for this afternoon. But as the cold core comes in, showers will redevelop late this afternoon and this evening across southern Arizona. High temperatures today, well, we've already had our high, technically, around 2 o'clock this morning, 61 degrees at Sky Harbor. I don't think we're going to get back there. Temperatures might rebound toward the middle 50s. That's about it for this afternoon. So, yes, a chilly day ahead. Tonight, that chance of evening rain showers for the most part, although with the snow levels coming down, we might be able to see a snowflake or two for the tops of the McDowell Mountains. Otherwise, the rain will last through the late evening, overnight hours, then decrease by morning. Overnight lows mostly 30s and low 40s. And then tomorrow, oh yeah, it'll be partly sunny in the morning, mostly sunny in the afternoon, but cool. High temperatures only in the lower to middle 50s. And then Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, the coolest weather we've had so far this season. Get ready for a frost in many spots. Lows down around 30 in the cold spots. Mid to upper 30s for the urban core, but if you have frost-sensitive plants, no matter where you live, I would suggest covering them up, or if you can, bring them in, because, yeah, I don't know, could get pretty chilly even into the urban core, so might not be a bad idea. And then high temperatures on Wednesday only, again, low to mid 50s. Mid to upper 50s on Thursday, mostly sunny, but again, another cool start with lows around 30 in the cold spots and mid and upper 30s elsewhere. Friday, highs back in the mid and upper 50s, but that's still below average. And then as we head to the weekend, another wave comes into the southwest, and that will bring an increase in clouds, partly sunny on Saturday. And by Sunday, might even see a few showers around here. This is not going to be a washout event, but we definitely could see at least widely scattered rain showers around, and high temperatures, again, only in the mid to upper 50s. So we'll stay below that 60-degree mark probably for a while here. And maybe the chance of rain, although not great, could see a little bit of snow up north, too, with that system coming on in. All right, here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 19th, and we've got troughing sitting to the north of us. A westerly flow here, heights a little bit below average, so temperatures remaining just a little bit below normal here. Going out 10 days, now this is Wednesday, the 21st, and this run of the GFS suggests a ridge building in here across the southwest. Now, if that's right, temperatures would recover back towards seasonal normals, maybe even a few degrees above average, but we have seen a number of different looks out here. And many of our long-range models indicate that the broader pattern here across North America favors more of a cross-polar or meridional flow, and that will allow Arctic air to spill southward across a good portion of the country, maybe east of the Rockies. It's too early to tell just yet, but at this stage of the game, I don't see ridging here in the southwest anytime soon. But we'll watch model trends, of course. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is coming off of the European Ensemble out through the 26th of the month, and the ensemble mean is up around 0.4 of an inch. That, of course, counts the rain that we're getting this morning. And temperatures off the national blend of models staying below average through the period. Highs in the 50s this week, warming to the 60s eventually. Low 60s maybe, and overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only Asian sensation, Michelle. And thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. We could not do these videos without you. And you guys be safe out there. Have yourselves a glorious Monday.